Good morning. Good morning. Okay, today is a day after a very, very bad day that I had yesterday. And so I did one trade just now, and I am going to be stopping. Yes, I'm going to stop for the day. And the reason I'm stopping right now is to restore my confidence. And I'll just tell you the trade I did today, and that'll be it. That'll just be the one trade. So today, I know that every single day gold at about 8:15, somewhere between 8:10 and 8:20, usually around 8:15, 8:17, something like that, has a pop. I don't know why that is. I just guess that there's some kind of big exchange or bank somewhere that dumps a whole bunch of orders into the market, and they're usually buy orders. It almost always goes up, but and that happens around 8:15, something like that. So today, I noticed that at first I thought I kind of missed it because there was this beautiful sort of a double bottom here. Sorry, get this, change this back to candles. If you look at, this is the 1 minute chart, this is the 5 minute chart, and this is the 15 minute chart. On the 15 minute chart, by the way, I marked out this order block too late. Um, this order block was up here, but I usually put a Fibonacci box on it with the reversal zone here in green, and I put that on too late. If I would have put it on early, I could have tagged the absolutely top of the run, but I missed the top, which is too bad because I left about $400 on the table because of that. But anyway, so today I was like, really focused on just all my like. I have this rule sheet and it just has all the different things I should be thinking about before I trade. It's a lot of stuff, and I just read it over and over and over and over again, so that I could be as precise as I possibly could with what I was doing. But anyway, so 8:15 comes along, and I notice that there's a pin hammer on the 5 here, which is pretty bullish, and also on this 1 minute, if I put a line chart in it, you can see, if you look carefully, you can see a double bottom formed against the 20, which is very bullish. So double bottom meaning this. Oh, you can see it. This green line is the 20, the 5 minute 20, and this blue line is price. So it bounced once off the 20, came up, bounced again off the 20, came up, and then put in this pin hammer top right here. You can see it right here. So all that was really bullish, but I missed all that. So it's not that I missed it. I just wasn't really expecting to take a trade before 8:15. And at this time of day, this candle was the 8:05 candle, which closed at 8:10. Closed at 8:10. Okay, so um, basically, I'm like, okay, so now it's above this area, and this is one 15-minute block that it just kind of tested, and then and back tested it, kind of tested it and rejected it. So the next one up was this one here to test, and so basically I saw this consolidation happening right here, and I'm like, okay, it's almost that time. It's almost 8:17, 8:18. What I really wanted was a buyer's wick against some of these moving averages, like it's kind of starting to try to do right here a little bit. But I'm like, yeah, I think if I skip this one, I'll be mad at myself. So to me, it looked bullish. It looked like kind of like a bull pennant here, somewhat, and it had broken through this reversal zone resistance, which the first time it touched it, it did reject here and came back down. But usually the first time is the strongest time, and the second time it had broken through, and I thought maybe it could go up to the next one, the next 15 minute, which it actually ended up doing, which is up here. So I did get long here. It was sort of against my better judgment, and pretty quickly it started moving up strongly, and it came up to this area, and I had like 1.2 R right here, and if I'd been looking over here, if I'd actually placed this reversal zone thing on, so I hadn't done yet, um, it just looked like this. But the reason I like to put these Fibonacci boxes on is because it marks out the lower band of the reversal. So anyway, I missed the top, but I ended up selling it. You know, I still got like 8/10 of an R out of this one, and for me, it's a win. and it's a win with a lot of thought that went into it, and a lot of waiting for the right moment and waiting for what I knew would be a gold dump of volume. So I went ahead and got it. I got in. I got my 8/10 of an R, $800, and I'm just going to be done for the day. I'm just going to say that's fine for me. Hey, if I made $800 a day every day, I'd be very happy. So that's $16,000 a month, right? So let me just walk away while I still can with profit, feel good about it, and I'll come back tomorrow and try to do the same thing over again until I gain my confidence back where I can take more than just one trade and feel comfortable. Oop, look at that. Wow, 8:30 must be news because that's a huge, a huge push down. So anyway, glad I'm out. Okay, that's my share for the day. See you guys later.